Hello. Today, we will learn about the phrase despair of something. It means to lose hope or stop believing in something. For example, you might despair of passing a difficult test. This phrase is often used when things seem impossible. Remember, despair is always followed by of. You say despair of something, not despair about. For example, she despairs of the future. You can use this phrase in formal and informal English. It helps describe strong feelings of hopelessness. You might hear it in conversations, books, or news. Be careful not to confuse it with give up on. Give up on means stop trying, but despair of means lose hope completely. Now let's try some examples. I despair of finding a solution. He despairs of his job. Don't despair of the situation yet. Try to use despair of something when talking about challenges. It will make your English more natural and clear. Thanks for watching. Keep practicing and stay hopeful.